Module 6, Job Readiness in Europe, CV, Europass, and LinkedIn. Welcome back to our learning journey, part of the European project Women Engagement Boost in Technology, WEB in Tech, funded by the European Social Fund Agency under the call ESF SI 2023 Skills 01, Social Innovations for the Upskilling of Vulnerable Youth, especially young people, not in employment, education, or training, NEETs. The project number is ESF SI 2023 Skills 01001. In the previous module, we explored how social media can amplify voices and create social impact. Today, in Module 6, we shift our focus to a very practical and career-oriented theme, job readiness in Europe. Specifically, we will learn how to build a strong curriculum vitae, CV, how to use the Europass platform, and how to create a powerful professional presence on LinkedIn. The importance of job readiness. Job readiness is about more than writing a document. It is about presenting yourself clearly, confidently, and professionally in the European labor market. For the 45 women participating in WEB in Tech, ESF SI 2023 Skills 010011, many of whom may be entering or re-entering the labor market after a period of maternity or care. This step is crucial. Employers in Europe receive hundreds of applications for a single position. What makes a candidate stand out is not only their skills, but also their ability to communicate those skills effectively. This is why we dedicate an entire module to job readiness, building a strong CV. A CV curriculum vitae is your professional passport. It tells employers who you are, what you can do, and why you are the right person for the role. In Europe, the most recognized format is the Europass CV, which we will discuss shortly. But first, let us understand the key elements of any effective CV. Personal information. Include your full name, contact details, and professional email address. Avoid unnecessary personal details, such as marital status or religion. Professional profile. A short paragraph at the beginning where you describe yourself in 3 to 4 sentences. Focus on your strengths, your motivation, and your goals. Example: young mother with a migrant background, trained in ICT and social entrepreneurship through the WEB in Tech program, ESF SI 2023 Skills 01011. Skilled in digital communication, project management tools, and intercultural collaboration. Seeking opportunities in NGOs and social enterprises to apply digital skills for social impact. Education. List your most relevant qualifications, starting with the most recent. Include vocational training, online courses, and certifications. Work experience. Describe roles with clear bullet points, your responsibilities, tasks, and achievements. Even unpaid volunteer work or community leadership counts. Skills. Separate technical skills, ICT, languages, from soft skills, communication, teamwork, problem solving. Languages. Being multilingual is a strength. List your languages with reference to the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, CEFR levels, A1 to C2. References. Optional but useful. You can mention available upon request if you prefer. The Europass platform. The Europass platform is a free, multilingual tool provided by the European Union. It helps you create and share your CV, cover letters, and digital credentials in a format recognized across Europe. Key features: online CV builder, step-by-step guidance to create a professional CV. Digital credentials, certificates, and diplomas can be stored securely and shared with employers. Skills profile. You can document your skills in detail, aligned with frameworks like DigComp. Job search integration. The platform connects with EURES, the European Job Mobility Portal. For participants in WEB in Tech, Project ESF SI 2023 Skills 010011, using Europass ensures that their CVs are compatible with European standards, making it easier to apply for opportunities in different countries. Creating a strong LinkedIn profile. While Europass is a formal tool, LinkedIn is the living, dynamic version of your CV. It's the world's largest professional network, with over 900 million users globally, including millions in Europe. For NGOs, social enterprises, and recruiters, LinkedIn is often the first place they look for potential candidates. Essential steps for a strong LinkedIn profile. Profile picture and banner. Use a clear, professional photo. Avoid casual or blurry images. The banner can reflect your field, e.g., a digital or social impact theme. Headline. This appears right under your name. Instead of just writing job seeker, write something that reflects your skills. Digital communication enthusiast, participant of WEB in Tech, ESF SI 2023 Skill 010011. About section. Tell your story. Highlight your journey, challenges, and aspirations. This is where your storytelling skills from Module 4 come in. Experience and education. Mirror your CV, but make it more dynamic. Add links, documents, and media to showcase your work. Skills and endorsements. Add ICT skills, languages, and social competences. Ask peers, trainers, or colleagues to endorse them. Networking. Connect with NGOs, European projects, trainers, and other participants. Comment on posts, share articles, and stay active. Job search tools. LinkedIn allows you to set job alerts, apply directly, and even show recruiters that you are open to work. The role of storytelling in your CV and LinkedIn. Remember what we learned in Module 4, Stories Create Connections. Your CV and LinkedIn profile should not only list facts, but also tell a coherent story about who you are. For example, instead of writing, volunteered in a local NGO, write, supported a local NGO in developing a digital campaign, reaching 5,000 people, and increasing volunteer recruitment by 30%. On LinkedIn, you can write posts about your learning journey in WEB in Tech, showing potential employers your motivation and growth. European case studies. A migrant woman in Portugal used Europass to apply for an internship in a social cooperative. Her standardized CV was easily understood by the HR team, and she was selected. In Belgium, a young mother created a LinkedIn profile highlighting her participation in an ESF-funded training project. Within months, she was contacted by an NGO looking for a digital communications officer. In Italy, participants of an EU-funded program published joint LinkedIn posts about their learning journey. These posts gained visibility and led to invitations to conferences. These examples show how formal tools like Europass and dynamic platforms like LinkedIn complement each other in building a European career. Closing reflections. Job readiness is not only about writing a CV, it is about building your professional identity in Europe. Through WEB in Tech, ESF SI 2023 Skills 010011, funded by the European Social Fund Agency, you are gaining the skills to write a CV that speaks to employers. Use Europass to align with European standards. Build a LinkedIn profile that showcases your story and your skills. By doing this, you are positioning yourself as a confident, competent, and visible candidate in the European labor market. In the next module, we will explore public speaking and intercultural communication online, which will help you develop the confidence to present yourself not only on paper or on screen, but also in real interactions across cultures.